Yo, what up? Trader Gliz back at it for the first time in a while. And let's just get into some of the stocks that I'm looking at this week. Um, First, I guess we'll start off with Nike. I'm not going to go over any of the stocks I called out in the last video. They're all up. Actually, I lied. They're all up. I'll show you. Here's Hims. Man, been calling it out. Up 78% on literally just shares. Um, since I've called it out, I'm still holding it. We have earnings coming up soon. I'll shave a little bit for earnings, but I think that Hims will be like the next, what is it? App Lovin'. I bought this. My average on app was I think $80. And let's just say I sold I closed my position at 150, so and here's it today in the aftermarket after their earnings. Yeah, it's at $500. $500 and I closed my position at 150, but I made money, so I can't complain. I mean, a little bit I can, but whatever. But I do think Hims is this next big play, so I'm still going to be holding a little bit during earnings. I honestly don't even really know what the company does, but this chart was just so good. I posted on TikTok, YouTube, everywhere. A plus setup, blah blah blah, whatever. All right, forget that. Stocks this week. First we'll talk about um, Marathon. Obviously, this stock follows Bitcoin very closely, and what Bitcoin does, it's a Bitcoin mining company, and right now I'm liking it just because of um, this little uptrend. We've been um, each time we've touched this uptrend, we have bounced up, and I think from here the next move up is $30. So I'll go in with shares there. Also, I want to mention this: I'm not trading options anymore, or not anymore, but just until the end of the school year because um, I don't really have time to keep up with the markets as much. I'm focusing on grades. I gotta lock in. Gotta get into the B school next year. Um, so I need to make sure my grades are where they're at, and I'm not focused too much on trading. So that's that marathon. This is what I like about that, and I'll show you Bitcoin's chart. Oh shoot. Here's Bitcoin's chart. Um, it does look like we're gonna come down. I'm not buying Mara yet. I'm just watching it. It's at a key level. I don't love the charts of Riot and Coinbase or Hut. Those all typically move together, so I actually don't love it. Bitcoin does look like it's at a little level of support right now, but it could easily come down to 94,000 and then make like a move up. But I'm watching that right now. These are also the plays today are all shares plays. Usually I'll give you plays that like within a week you'll make 100% on options, but these are like buy hold for maybe 2 weeks, 3 weeks, a month, few months. I'm changing up a little bit because I'm just gonna maybe over the weekend look at some plays, buy some shares, but I'm not gonna be trading options and doing all that stuff. So that's my thoughts on Marathon. Um, we very easily could honestly make a move up from here, but yeah, that's that. Next stock is Nike. I call this out. It did run up a little bit, so hopefully, well, since I called it out, so hopefully you're able to make enough profit or a little bit of profit. But what I like about this, sorry, it's 2 a.m. What I like about this is we have this little, we're at this key level here, and Nike is a good company, not going anywhere, obviously. Um, so I do think this will go up from here. We have this little wedge pattern, and all we need is one candle close on the monthly chart above this wedge pattern, and we're golden. And then we will see lots of money being made here. So that's that. Nike's good buy right now, good valuation, good price. Very undervalued, in my opinion. Next stock is Advanced Micro Devices. Sorry, I sound so lame right now. AMD, next stock. Um, I think there's more room to come down right now. I said these are call outs for a little later into the future. I think this will come back down to this $100 level, but we're trading right now in this falling channel and candle close above. I think within the next few months, 50% at least on just shares. You can trade options if you want. If you want far like options far out, but obviously $100 to $90 level is a big mental level. So that's that. And then on the 10-year chart, we're also trading right now at the 50-day moving average, which is a decent support level. Last time we were trading around this, made a big move up. So there is that. That's AMD. Um, with the candle close above this, I do think the stock will run even in the short term if you want to trade it like that. But yeah, AMD. Next stock, Sirius XM, ticker symbol SIRI, Siri. Um, we have this nice wedge pattern forming on a higher time frame. The weekly chart, we got a candle close above, and I think this will continue to run. Short term, $29 price target. Medium term, $41. Long term, by like 2025 maybe, 57, which is 100 plus percent. So that's everything on Sirius XM. They just beat earnings, so I guess the company's doing good. I don't know. I don't know anything about the company. Actually, I was watching this recently, and it did play out pretty well. Wrong one. Uh-oh. Delayed data. The Wi-Fi and the power actually crashed here the other day. Come on. All right, I'll cut this. Nearly, maybe, unless it comes on in like 10 seconds. All right, well, never mind. I guess. Oh shit. All right, I guess these two stocks don't want to work. Sirius XM just beat earnings. Think it'll be good longer term. iRobot, I called this out a little bit ago, or in the last video. And hold on, let's see if we can do something. All right, well, okay, it works on TradingView. iRobot, good stock, good money to be made. Just trust me. I don't really know how to explain this. I had my chart set up. We have a gap to fill right here, a $10 level. When did I tell you? I think I talked about it. I think I saw something like this. Yeah, it was like that pattern like that, and we were trading at this trend line right here, and I had said to buy it, and let me see how much it's gone up since then. If you held right now, you'd be up 20% on pure shares. So you would have out traded the S&P 500 in 2 weeks, maybe, compared to what how it performs in a year. But I also do think this gap will fill, so it'll go up to at least 10.22, and I think it'll continue to run up to this $13 level, and you'll make a lot of money. So that's pretty much it. I guess I could do an Nasdaq break. Oh, now they want to load. Oh no, they don't. All right. Well, this does. Um, everything. People say like these are just lines on the chart. They don't mean anything. Cap. Everything on here responds, or everything on here happens for a reason. We have this perfect channel, or this perfect little wedge, and then we have this support down here, this little gray box, and we traded within that. Then we made this big move up because we broke out of this wedge. But as we made this move up, we formed what's it called? An ascending channel, whatever this is, this pattern right here. And then when you supposedly break that, make a big move down, which is exactly what we did. And then what happens? We retest this support, and then we go up. Another ascending channel. What happens? We touch this level of resistance over here, and this one. We go down to where? To this support. We go up, back to where? This resistance. We go down, up, down, up, down. Right now, we're at this resistance. Oh, I thought someone was knocking on my door. But we can go up. Yeah, I think we can go up or down. We're at a decent level of resistance right now. But that's it. So, like and subscribe. Shout out Trader Gliz. Make some money. I'm probably not going to be posting that much, but yeah.